What are your short-term and long-term goals? Purpose of goals. Goals give direction and purpose, keeping us focused, motivated, and aligned toward personal and professional aspirations. Importance of short and long-term goals. Short and long-term goals serve unique roles. Short-term goals create momentum, while long-term goals shape your future aspirations. Defining short-term goals. Short-term goals are actionable steps achievable within months, bridging the gap to larger ambitions like acquiring new skills or achieving financial goals. Creating SMART goals. SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, ensure clarity and increase the likelihood of success. Setting long-term milestones. Long-term goals span years and require setting milestones, such as achieving higher certifications or personal growth targets. Balancing short and long-term goals. Balance both goal types by aligning immediate actions with larger visions, adapting to changes, and setting regular progress check-ins. Tracking goal progress. Track goals through journals or digital tools. Constant reminders and goal checks maintain accountability and drive steady progress. Maintaining motivation. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins, visualizing success, and keeping aligned with the purpose behind your goals. Avoiding common goal mistakes. Avoid pitfalls like setting unrealistic goals or failing to adjust. Embrace small wins and regularly monitor your progress. Achieving fulfillment through goals. Pursuing aligned short and long-term goals leads to a fulfilling, successful life, combining growth, resilience, and steady achievement. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.